Yeah, hey guys. So today's topic, I wanted to cover the concept of tags within your model. So I wanted to cover kind of what it is, its use case, as well as setting one up using our employee model. So the first part of this is what is tags? So think of tags as a way to categorize your golden records and your quarantined entities based on the data associated with it. So for a real life example, let's say you had an account model. And let's say you wanted to categorize your accounts based on their essentially like what they are. So maybe you have customer accounts, maybe you have prospects, maybe you have partner accounts. So the point in the tag is to essentially categorize these specific records based on their data. So to set up a tag, we're gonna have to go to our model. So if I go to our employee model, one of the tabs under configure model is tags. So let's add our first tag. So what I'm going to make this is I'll make an arbitrary example that I want to tag everyone with the first name of Matthew to be a terminated employee. So I'm going to call the tag employee terminated. I'm going to add an input. So similar to a business rule shape, you can have a single output, multiple outputs, multiple inputs, and ORs with them. So you can kind of nest depending on your use case. So I'm just going to pull first name. I'm going to add a condition. So first name is equal to, notice all the other ones you can use. So first name is going to be static, and it's going to be a static value of Matthew. I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to publish my model and then deploy it to my repository. So let's deploy that. Awesome. So that's set up. And now if we go back to our tech topic process, I'm going to create a brand new person. So I'll name it that should be a good validation for that. I'm just going to double check that, make sure that that was the validation I set up for the social. Great. And I'm going to name it Matthew as the first name, just so we see that arbitrary example where every person with the first name of Matthew is going to be tagged with employee terminated. So the only other item is if you're still following along, we're going to have our stage area ID here. So if you don't want to use that staging area anymore, just remove it, click lock and edit, save it, and let's close it. So I'm going to run a test. Awesome. And then if we go back to our employee records, so here's Matthew with the last name of tags. And if you look at the tag for it, you can see the employee terminated. And then part of the purpose of this is you can add filters to your golden records based on the record tag. So if I had multiple tags, you can filter by that to kind of consolidate your data. Okay, sounds good, guys. Have a nice rest of your day.